Who inherits my stuff? Give me 2.5 minutes and I'll tell you who inherits your stuff if you don't have an estate plan, so that you understand how important it is to make a plan of your own. Comment or send a message and I'll give you a free guide to estate planning. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Gary DeWitt. I'm the founder and owner of DeWitt Law. We've helped thousands of individuals and families create effective estate plans, plans that prevent probate and tragic lifetime legal problems. Tragic problems that could cost you everything you have, even if it's not your fault. Give me 2.5 minutes. I'll tell you who inherits your stuff if you don't have an estate plan, so that you understand how important it is to have a plan of your own. If you don't have a plan, then only the stuff you own jointly escapes probate. It usually goes to the joint owner if the ownership includes a right of survivorship. If you own property as joint tenants with the right of survivorship, then that property automatically goes to the other owner or owners. But this brings up an issue I see all too often. That is, parents putting their children on their deeds or the accounts as co-owners, sometimes with the right of survivorship and sometimes not. It is dangerous to put your children on the deed or account. Their financial issues become your financial issues, and your money can be used to pay for their problems. Every other driver becomes a lawsuit waiting to happen that your money and property can be used to pay for. If you don't have a plan, you need to understand the state of Arkansas has already decided who gets your stuff. In general, by default, property you own alone goes 1/3 to your spouse and 2/3 to your children. If you don't have a spouse, then all is divided among your children equally, even if you didn't want it that way through probate. I'm not going to go through all the cases, but the state has a whole table of who gets what of your stuff. When you plan, you decide who gets what, when, how, and how much instead of the state during probate. Comment or send me a message and I'll give you a free guide to estate planning.